Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix if OneDrive is not working, whether it's unresponsive, not starting, or missing from your taskbar. So let's get started. First, try the simplest fix that restart your computer. Sometimes a quick reboot often clears the background issues. If it is still not working, you just have to open the startup menu and here you have to search for OneDrive. Once you find it, give a right click and click on Run as Administration to give it extra permission. If it is still not working, go to the search bar here and search for Control Panel. Now here go to the Programs and click on Uninstall a program. Remove OneDrive, then download the latest version from Microsoft official site and reinstall it. Finally, make sure your all Windows and OneDrive updated are installed. Update often fix bugs and improve the performance. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.